Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about 10 good tips to help you become a successful entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who creates new products, services, or ideas to solve issues in the world. Every person's journey to entrepreneurship is different, but all successful entrepreneurs must be prepared for failure and criticism, as well as always learning and developing themselves. There is no magic formula or holy grail to being a successful entrepreneur, but here are 10 pointers to help you along the way. But before started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to miss any new video. 1. Create a business plan. A business plan helps you visualize how your business will work by putting your thoughts on paper. In a nutshell, your business plan should at the very least respond to the following questions about your company. What is the nature of your service or product? What are your main concerns? Where are you going to run your business? In 5 years, where do you want to be? When will your business begin operations? What makes people want to buy your product or service? What is the demographic of your target market? Who is your main rival? What are the day-to-day operations going to be like? What plans do you have in place to deal with unanticipated circumstances? These are just a few examples of questions to get you started with your brainstorming. The more questions you can answer, the more you'll understand how to run your company. 2. Be thrifty. Before you buy something or sign a lease, think twice. Refer to your business plan and ask yourself how your purchase will help to the company's performance to assess if the expense is a necessary and good investment, as well as any additional expenses you could have, such as depreciation and maintenance. Always try to do more with less and explore for cost-cutting opportunities, such as bartering with other businesses. 3. Continue to learn new things. Be a voracious student. You can watch live seminars or workshops from the comfort of your own home. Reading books by a successful entrepreneur you admire is also a good idea. Even if they aren't in the same area as you, their achievements and failures can teach you a lot. Observing how people tackle challenges can provide you with ideas for how to solve your own problems. 4. Put together a winning team. A dependable and professional workforce is the foundation of any successful organization. This may entail hiring an online personal assistant or collaborating with a knowledgeable accountant. Because sales are the lifeblood of every business, I propose hiring someone who can help you increase income by either boosting sales or improving the sales process. For improved efficiency, I also propose hiring workers who can handle various tasks. The idea is to hire the greatest people to help you reach your objectives, as well as people who share your vision. Although each team member brings a unique set of skills to the table, the entire team should always be on the same page when it comes to the company's vision and values. 5. Strike a harmony between your intellect, body, and spirit. Make sure you eat well and set some time to clear your head. Your personal well-being is just as vital as the bottom line of your business. Even if you work from home, find methods to disconnect from work and refresh by going for a walk or working out to release dopamine, your body's natural feel-good chemical. Excessive stress has a negative impact on your health. Keep in mind that your company will only succeed if you do. 6. Make use of free marketing resources. For marketing and promotion, free marketing platforms such as Google My Business and social media can be employed. To spread the word and communicate with like-minded people, several businesses create Facebook peer groups. I learned a crucial lesson: having outstanding marketing on a good product or service is preferable to having minimal marketing on a great product or service. 7. Seek out a mentor. Having a mentor you can rely on is quite beneficial. Guidance is always helpful, whether you're in a mastermind group or have kept in touch with past teachers or other business acquaintances. To lessen your learning curve, work with someone who has climbed the mountain you're attempting to cross. 8. Networking isn't anything to be terrified of. Don't be frightened to ask for assistance. Most of us have connections that can help us succeed. I'm not suggesting you phone them up and start pitching them right away, but you can always meet up with them for coffee or a dinner to catch up and see if there's any way they can help. 9. Have your finances in order. The expense of starting a business is always higher than expected. You can set aside a portion of your income to create an emergency fund in case of a financial disaster. You may have to take out loans or put your own money into the company as a final resort. However, if the financial troubles are under your power, always determine the source of the problem and rectify it. 10. Put money into insurance. A large portion of an entrepreneur's job is risk management. Every choice comes with its own set of risks, some of which are utterly unforeseeable. Nobody can anticipate what will happen tomorrow, therefore you should spend as little as possible to secure your business and property. Many business owners I've noticed regret not buying insurance only after a disaster occurs and their bill is due. Consult an insurance professional to learn how to protect yourself and your company. You will be grateful to your future self for doing so.